guys, my name is Ali. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you ideas for Father's Day. So our first idea is some cookies. And if you don't know, my dad loves like fishing. So our idea was like to do some fish and a fishing rod. So let's start opening it. Okay, so we have the instructions here, but I kind of know the instructions already. And so let's put that away. We have a lot of different ones, like a lot, right here, keys. And my mum told me that one of them broke, so that's probably going to be my practicing one. Okay, so we have like all the colours here. We have some sprinkles, which I don't know if we're going to use, because, you know, I already have an idea in my brain. I'm so stressed. I want it to be perfect. Okay, but this is not the practice one anymore, that's why. Let's do this though. I kind of feel like a bigger hole because I'm going to do this for like 8 hours. Okay, so now we're going to take a stick and form it. I like eating it with the icing. It's really good. I think I should put a little hole in 2 seconds. I think I might need a bit more icing there. Okay, so guys, I just finished the yellow one. Let's put the yellow icing away. And now let's get the next cookie. Wow, I was waiting this one today. So right now I'm just filling it in nicely. We're gonna let them dry. We are going to carry it on. Let's put those there. You have to be a bit quiet because like my dad's downstairs. Okay, so we did one special one, and we're gonna get some sticks and like do some lies, and then basically we're gonna do I love you on it. So here it is. And then we'll wait for them to dry, and whilst we're waiting, we can do our next one. Okay, so my mom's gonna do like the outline. Okay, so now I'm gonna fill it in. Okay, so I'm gonna keep filling it in, and I will see you when we have like finished filling it in, and then we dry it like a couple of hours, and then we can decorate. So the next idea is a tie-dye. So we have like a t-shirt that says Best Dad right there, and then open this. I feel like my dad will kind of like a blue, light blue, then a dark green. Well, we can always make it pastel a bit more. And then we have a yellow. So let's pop the box away. Okay, so I will see you when we've like done mixing these up. So bye. Okay, so we changed the blue into a green, and the technique we are using is swirl. Okay, so let's do the swirl. And snaggles in. There we go. dokie. I'm not a pro at this, so don't mind me. Ow. Okay, we're gonna tie it up. This is just gonna look horrible. Okay, I'm gonna take another band. Okay, so we have the bands on, as you see. So I'm so scared because I hope it like works out. Oh yeah, I need my gloves. Forgot about that. Got them on. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the yellow. And I feel like I'm gonna ruin it.
We're doing the other side, like the back. So, yay!
Okay, so we just finished with the back and the front. Okie dokie, so now we're going to put it in a bag. So, there it goes. So just dried, and now we get to decorate. So do it with black on the piece of paper, and we're going to do it with white on the fish. Great. So this is gonna be scary. So let's do this. Okay, so I'm so scared.
Like a fish.
So where's the white one? So I'm gonna do their eyes, and I think my mom's gonna do like whatever. Okay, so I'll finish decorating and I'll show you the results. So, bye! Okay, so it's been a couple of hours now and I'm going to show you both of the results. So, first of all, I'm going to show you the tie-dye because why not? Okay, so we just opened it and like took all the bands off and I'm so excited. So stand up, because you know, it's operation. Oh, there's one more band in. There we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is the dad gang. Let's quickly do that. That really looks like a swell. Then turn back. That looks so cool. Okay, so we just finished the cookies and they are nice and dry. Right? And we've added a pretty box and a little wooden heart that says "You are Fish Ali, the best dad!" Exclamation mark, exclamation mark, XX. I tasted one of these cookies, well, not one of these that we did, like the testing one, and they were like delicious. I want to eat one of these, but sadly I can't. There we go. So we have the fishing rod over here, then we have the yellow fish that says "The best dad" with a red love heart. Then we have the blue fish which looks pretty normal. Then we have the rainbow fish with sprinkles on it, and it says, I love you. And then we have the pink fish. And then we have the green fish with a heart, same with the pink one right there on the tails. So let's close this box. And there we go. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you will use one of my ideas. And I actually do think my dad will like them. Well, maybe, because I work really hard on them. So be sure to leave a like, subscribe, hit that bell button, and bye.